Hello, now your boy Bidiso, Chika 100%.
When you wake up in the morning sun, just give praise to God who keeps you alive. Shante. What's up, my people? Now your boy Ajuju, and this na Talk on Wazobia TV.
Yes, sir, we don't come back and I know say today now our Motivational Monday and we get better kajad guests where we say don't come to motivate us on all them bad things where they depress us, they disturb us for outside. This person where we get now person where we say in done they practice stage plays and actor and everything in an actor and they do stage plays, they don't do with plenty big people like Joke Silva, Alex Osifo and the likes of them. And him now still public and motivational speaker where we say in don't understand the things where we say they disturb people, where if anything they bother you, if you come outside, tell you say now like this is supposed to be, and you go get the ginger to move on with your life and with your goal. And him now also faculty member and facilitator for the prestigious Headstone Speakers Academy for inside Obodo, Lagos, Nigeria. And he don't do several books and the articles where in they publish on some kind of monthly, yearly, daily basis where in they do them. And you go need to know, say this person too, now person where be say in carry outstanding core member for inside the NYSC category for 2006-2007 batch.
Plenty times.
Plenty.
But if we give him time,
if I give you time,
years.
if I read in all resume,
I tell you.
like when people they talk, we gonna need to take like 2 days to continue this resume. But the person person I get for inside the studio and another person, but Abiodun Mabadeje.
Thank you very
Not
much.
spoil the crown.
Yes,
Not spoil the crown.
That's the meaning.
Yes.
That's the meaning of the name.
My Yoruba is on point.
The crown.
Not spoil the
Okay,
crown.
so we thank you.
you.
Say you join us for inside the studio with the talk.
Yeah, so I'm happy to do the studio this afternoon.
Oh yes.
And thank you for inviting me.
Yeah, thank you. Today now Motivational Monday, and before you enter, we actually they discuss something. One of our stories where they hot. They discuss about a girl where they say she pie herself on to say her boyfriend leave her for her best friend. Now, we they ask this question, now the best option be that after a hard heartbreak, or you get ways where people go feel hard, because it's not a thing where they disturb plenty people for out there. Heartbreak on top relationship, on top work, on top different issues. So if person don't suffer heartbreak, how exactly you go say make them handle them, apart from say make them buy themselves?
You see, my people, they talk one thing, but then they talk this one for men. They say if as a man, you die because of one woman, 100,000 women go waka on top of your grave. So the thing, as it be for men, it be for women, the same thing. But if because man leave you, you can't say the next thing what you go do now to kill yourself. Think I'm like this. You where you die, family where you leave behind, whether na mama, be papa, be brother, be na sister, and all the friends where you leave behind, what thing you will make happen to those people? If you even be say your mama and your papa, then they depend on you to feed. But now when you don't kill yourself, what thing will happen to that mama and papa? And then other people be say, then they look up to you. That one I one thing. But if person get heartbreak, how you supposed to handle them? Now simple thing now. Ask yourself, she not the end of the world with this? She not the worst thing where if it happen for me for this life, now you say person leave me? Of course not. There are other things. My people, they talk, say, if person use in money, buy something will go turning high, that thing definitely must turn in high. I thought that one because of the grammar we are speaking now. You see, sometimes when you go school, the thing, you know, go know, the thing will just enter, make no vex for me. But what did I talk be say, if something happen to you, no matter what in the thing be, so long as you never die, or in Boma go talk, say, as long as there is life, there is hope. So now what thing you supposed to do be that? Tell yourself, say, because one man come out, there are plenty other men they outside. In fact, you go see the one way better pass the one way leave you. But if you can't die because of that one person, I mean, who you they do now? Now yourself you they do.
All right, this one just boils down to something where we don't talk about for a very long time on this show, self-esteem. Because plenty people, they get this low self-esteem for themselves. They don't see themselves as anything at all. I beg. You feel give us how person feel overcome this low self-esteem where they get, because people will really want to know how they fit actually fight them.
Okay, look at the thing this way. You say low self-esteem. Now, esteem it comes from the word estimation. Now you look yourself, can't esteem yourself. You carry yourself like that. Say, as I did like this, I know be better person. I know what anything. Nothing good day my life. Because that's what then they call them self-esteem. Now you they analyze yourself. They tell yourself, say, now like this is B for me. Now, if you can't look at the other way, can't look yourself. As you they tell yourself, say, my esteem is no good. I no be a good person. Nothing good will come out of my life. I don't try this one. You know succeed. So because of that one, I'll be failure. As you they talk all those things, think the other way. Come begin tell yourself the positive ones. For psychology, now then they call them positive self-affirmation. So you wake up early in the morning, you look yourself for mirror, you point to that person where they see inside mirror, say, you this person, you are this way, you be like this. You know, say, now better person you be. You know, say, for this life where you come, you go make something good for this life. You they look yourself, they tell yourself, you get something where they do for your mind. And there is something where Oyinbo man they talk also, then call them attraction, law of attraction. Yeah. As you they talk this thing, your mind they accept them. The thing they enter your mind, and as they enter your mind, so you are also in the same way sending vibes,
positive vibes. Yeah.
Yourself.
Out there. So as that thing they happen, as they enter your mind, forces of life will begin to attract these things where you they talk, whether na good or na bad. Now so it happen. So to overcome this self-esteem, just the only thing we say, just turn to the positive side. All those things where you they talk, where they make you get self-esteem, I mean low self-esteem. Begin tell yourself the positive one. So before you know what thing go happen. That's why Oyinbo they tell you, say, anything where you want get, practice it for 21 days. You go master that and that thing will become part of your life. Even when person begin to tell you the negative one, because you don't tell yourself the positive one, the thing don't enter your mind. When they tell you the negative one, you go tell them, I don't know what they talk.
Yeah. Yes, true. All right, I want to ask this one. Yes, she asked you, say, how we go take deal with them. But something where you don't know, say, you get, how you want to deal with them. You know, say, a problem day, and you don't know what's in the problem. You just say, I shall not see something day wrong, but I don't know what's in the thing be. How we go take identify, because it start from childhood, when you don't they grow up. How you want to take identify to the parents there, to adults. How you want to take identify that point where you know, say, this child, you be like say you don't they get low self-esteem. How you want to take now?
Okay, make we talk to parents now.
Yes.
You they look your child every time in there among other children. Then they play, he no go play.
Okay.
Somebody tell them something, she no respond or you no respond. Maybe one of the children try to, I go slap you. Before you know what thing they happen. The guy never slap him, he don't they cry. They never, I go slap you, they never slap him, he don't they cry. These are little things where you feel they notice. Where if he tell you, say, this child, you know, get confidence. Because that's another way where you feel referred to low self-esteem.
So it's
lack of
confidence.
Confidence. So go do something. Before this child go do am, he go ask question 100 times. Ask question 1 million times. Before he go do one small task where you give him. Those are things you feel begin to look. We go tell you, say, this child no get confidence. Apart from that, as a parent, you also need to know how to, you're supposed to know how to help that child in several ways.
Okay.
Now, one of the ways will be, as a parent, learn to tell your children what you want them to know, how you want them to behave, how you want them to do things. If you tell them, do something like this, and that child no do am, like you tell am, say make you do am, you can't do another thing where you no tell am, call that child, explain to the child. If to say you do am, as I tell you, say make you do am, now this kind of results, you forget. But as you do am like this, see what happen. sometimes if you no be say the result where the child gets no good, but if you no be like it's supposed to be.
Yeah.
But if you can't explain to them, say if to say you do them like this thing for turn out this way. If you dey talk to the children that way, it go help them to believe in themselves, even if they make mistakes.
Yeah.
The first thing to do no be to beat the child, say he make mistake. The first thing now to call the child, explain to them, say this thing where you do, you know do am well.
Okay.
Now like this you suppose to do am. But if to say you do am like this, you get this result, you know say all of us go there happy for this house. But as you do am like this, me where be your mama, I be your papa.
Sorry, just to add in this one, some parents will go there, then I go feel say yes, and say because they do this particular thing, I want to talk to say yes, that they actually train the pikin. Like now your pikin come house say, Mommy, Queen B slap me. The mother will send you back. Come on, go back, go and slap Queen B.
They actually do one for me for school that time because my mom did tell me no fight. But she can't notice say every time is either my biro lost, my masset lost, and I know they fit talk to the people who collect them because now my senior, so I know if you go back to their class, go. She sent me back.
I tell you,
you fight town.
And
If
that
she
part
beat you,
of
beat town.
Yeah, Amaka, yeah.
You know, some parents say like that.
That kind of matter, we feel look am two ways.
Okay.
We feel look am two ways. Because if your parents no tell you, say, make you go back, go collect your biro, if that thing come master you till you grow, now so you go dey fear. Person do you something, when you supposed to open your mouth, talk, you no go talk. So, waiting your mama do for that one, I no go say it bad.
Yeah, because maybe all the time you go say, okay, good one, but at least once in a while.
But then you can't get negative side. And the negative side be say, if anytime somebody can't do something for you, you feel develop that mind, say, I must do my own.
Go back, like revenge.
I no go forgive. That one, it did negative. So person supposed to know how to balance and know when to act with confidence.
Okay.
Open your mouth and talk when you're supposed to talk.
You write something for your book. You talk about destiny and fate. I want to understand, like this.
The difference, Abi.
This destiny, fate.
What be the difference?
They confuse a lot of people, like
Because
me.
like even when this, if we talk of this girl, we kill herself.
You go say na my
her
destiny. Can I
destiny
ram
be
me?
that?
So it be fate.
I'm gonna have fate.
Okay, make I explain them like this. Some people believe say anything will happen to a human being, God don't write them.
Okay.
Some people
Na
believe,
mistake be that.
some people believe them like that. I call any no vex. And so my people they talk and they say I call any. But me I no believe them like that.
Okay.
Yes, you get things way for every person where God don't determine, say, this person will go be this person go do this kind of thing. But personally, me, I no believe, say, God now, wicked God.
Yes, so.
I no believe that one.
When no kill me for sleep.
Now, that girl will kill herself. She now God say make she kill herself because one man leave her.
So waiting be that, is there a
that
fate?
destiny or
Because
destiny
it just be like say God knows say she go actually kill herself. So
And somebody go say,
so
why
is it a destiny or is it fate?
God for no
Because we don't get time again. We don't really get time again. We get like 1 more minute. So is that a destiny or a fate?
No. Whether you call that one fate or destiny, it is none of the above.
Okay.
That one now waiting my people they call afowofa.
Oh.
Now you
Afowofa, now leave it drunk.
now you go look the rope, go take the rope, tie your neck, come kill yourself. But this destiny and fate, what would you talk? There is little difference.
Okay.
And I will explain it this way. Look fate as the negative one and look destiny as the positive side.
All right, from there now we go just hand down because time not to be outside. I'm so sorry because we're going to need to bring you back again because you get plenty words for your mouth. Amaka, cocoa of the day.
Before you come up for our set, we go just let you hear our cocoa of the day. And right about now, cocoa of the day, now true say women, they get sense past men. Or may I put it like this, then they smart past men.
I see the way
This one a serious question, but I'll go answer.
Okay. In simple terms.
Yes. You see, for Bible, God talks say, I will have to use English now. I will give him a helpmeet. In other words, I will give him a helper suitable to him. Now, I ask the question, between the person where they help person and the person where person they help, who get power pass?
The person where they help now.
So if woman Naim be the helper and man na the helped, who gets power pass?
As we dance smart now, God
But you know what, Oga? We actually throw this question out there for people to put their mouth inside. And then make we get to know what people talk about this one.
Yo,
Yeah.
let us see how.
Thank you, so you come outside.
Thank you very
Thank you.
Thank you very much for inviting me.
My people, I can't be broken like that.
You feel say women smart pass men.
Baba forget woman get sense pass man.
Yes. Women smart pass men, is even that one is even a long story. I know because I feel say woman smart pass men. Woman smart pass men, I know.
Woman too get sense pass man. Woman go sell man 3 times, collect change, sell an extra.
Because women think about everything. Men just do. They don't think. Women think. Because every day we show up. Our actions and our reactions, the way we do things, the way we think, the way we live life generally. We more patient, we more intuitive, we more prudent, everything.
Woman get sense, no matter the man where they do like this, woman go bring you come round. But I know say woman get sense pass man. Nobody say I fear.
Yeah, so you don't hear them. So women, they say now we smart pass. Thanks a bunch
Thanks
to
a
the
bunch,
men.
thank you,
We
thank
talk
At least
say
I
women
don't
smart
know
pass.
one thing about myself. Every morning now I go write down. They say women, but me go to tell myself Queen B.
But they
is
get
smart
foolish
pass.
smartness, and they get
smartness.
white smartness. So we just need to know which one we belong
I'm
to.
the positive
I beg.
one.
Okay. Yeah, so make a motivating now. Today we get motivational quotes of the day as they always get them every Monday. But today on the talk and I go talk them as I take talk them. Problems no be stop sign, then be guidelines. And now Robert H. Scholar Naim talk this one. He say problems no be stop sign, then be guidelines.
Our guest will actually talk about this one. You believe say problems not be stop sign?
Yes, I believe when you get problem, like I said earlier, no be the end of the world with that. Look the problem. Ask yourself, waiting be the solution. In fact, the reason why a problem be says the solution dey somewhere. If solution no dey, that thing, person no go think I'm saying a problem.
Yes.
All right, our better manners of the day today. Every Monday with the Sonchi Better Manners. Now, today, we go tell you, say, it is very wrong for you to go person party, you not buy gifts.
Betyana, you go Jaden birthday yesterday. What do you carry?
When I say na paper, it is very wrong.
What do you carry?
I don't need to tell the whole world.
No, you must carry
I
it.
carry something good now.
Okay.
But you believe I'm saying it is very wrong for you to go person party, except they instruct you, say, yeah, you can afford not to bring gifts.
Well, it depends on many things. Sha.
And you know, say for wedding card, if they tell you say no bring gift, they feel say they rude.
No,
for
no.
Nigerian system. No, we feel say they rude. Say, please don't come with a gift. We're like,
No,
yeah,
it's not rude, though.
No, actually,
very
nowadays where they do that, and I really like them because most weddings you go, they go give you basin or they go give you basia, things where you
Rubber,
say
you
you know
full rubber for
to use for your home, you understand? So nowadays people go tell you, say, okay,
True.
we get everything where we need, no
Yeah,
buy
no bring,
anything, come.
buy.
But if you insist,
Come
say
with
you
the
want
check.
buy something,
Bring 'em in cash.
go to so and so stores. Now the so and so things we need, go
pay for dear,
one.
we'll go collect.
Simple.
All right, you don't hear 'em.
but that kind of thing for our setting, if it be say then get another reason behind though.
Yes.
No, the thing be say, it just there now, just better manners. It just there wrong for you to go person party, or just with the notion of like yesterday, just with the notion of say you want to go eat. At least they invite you to the birthday party for you to bring gift. Even though it's a 20 naira thing, I bet just carry and go. So the talk lady they tell you today say, no go party without
no
say you
buy
carry
gift.
gift. Time don't wish for us to come up, but we not go come out until we read 1 or 2 tweets.
Yes.
Now, Ekele Faith, you talk say, I only pray people will understand that there's no need to kill oneself over the other. I pray she rest in peace at the lady we actually kill herself. Emmanuel Green, you say, Happy New Month to the beautiful Betyana, traffic butterfly.
Thanks a bunch.
Amaka, our love doctor. Queen B, Mr. Collins' crush. Uvbi, Bini Princess, at the top of it. Thanks a bunch. And lastly, at Stereo Arts, you talk, say, she not only if you touch light, she not only if you touch light person, Naim be cheating. She flirting or cheating.
Okay, that's a very good question.
That's a good question. We go ask her next time.
We'll attend to you.
All right, thanks a bunch. So you actually come to our studio today.
All right, Una, thank you
so
for
much. We
inviting
actually
me.
appreciate you.
Thank you so much. We
Thank you.
appreciate
So
it.
next time we will call you, believe say you go answer our call.
Why not? I go answer
We
sharp.
appreciate
Yes,
that.
Lord.
All right, time Dovish for us to come up for inside the studio. I'll say you enjoyed the show today. Tomorrow we get another bumper package for you, and then we get one new letter from the viewers.
Yes,
Yes,
we
sir.
got letter from our viewer
Yeah.
tomorrow, and we go let you know what's in the day.
I told tell you. I'm going to leave them open for you a day out there because we get one particular segment just for you. So you're going to need to send your letter. Con Queen because you now everything tomorrow. But for me, myself, and one Uvbi Ehigamo say we're going to get better day.
Yes, my name still remain Betyana Unweli. Me could get very blessed kajad week.
Yes, as we start the match enter match, I believe say all of us go match into betterment for this month. My name still remain Amaka Queen B.
All right, Nadia, my own name still remain Queen B. Yes, so I'll be Miss Collins' crush. Yeah, I shall do it.
All right, so before we end with the only talk, to talk not be bad thing, but make you know what you talk about. So we'll give you the privilege to say it. To
talk no be bad thing, but make you know what they talk about.
Nah,
we love you. Pra.
They're not the